Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park with engine off and remove the key, then put on safety goggles and gloves because acid and spray particles matter. Next, clean the battery posts with a wire brush and a baking soda solution to neutralize acid. This gives the protector something to adhere to. Once the posts are dry, shake the CRC battery terminal protector vigorously and position yourself about 6 to 8 inches away to ensure an even, thin coat. Do not soak. You now apply the product with controlled bursts so it deposits thin, even film, 1 to 2 seconds per burst across the terminal, clamp, and cable lug. Make sure to mask painted surfaces and wiring because overspray can harm finishes. Use cardboard or tape to protect them. Once done, let the first coat tack for about 5 to 10 minutes so solvents evaporate, and then, if coverage is thin, add a second thin coat. This improves corrosion resistance without trapping moisture. You finish by reassembling. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and tighten clamps to the manufacturer's spec or snugly so they won't move. Wipe any excess product, then test the starter and lights to confirm good electrical contact. If you notice poor starting or weak lights, remove the clamp, clean both surfaces again, dry thoroughly, and reapply the protector sparingly. Also inspect for frayed cables or corroded clamps that need replacement. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.